Okay, so we continue class. Okay, alright, so before this you learn, if you still remember, you learn three properties: linearity, first shifting, and also what we call the derivative, is it? So now in the unit step function, you have another one more method or one more properties that you should learn. Okay, which is we name it as second shifting. Okay, so we have first shifting before this, and now we learn about second shifting. So means that second shifting we will apply for unit step function. Alright, so okay, I just write down first. So this is what we see for second shifting. Okay, okay, so you can see that inside here, okay, maksudnya macam ni, bila, okay, macam for example, for first shifting, we know that we will apply first shifting where we have a multiplication of exponential, is it? And for derivative, we will apply when we have a multiplication between t power of n or t power of something lah, t cube, t square, and so on. Now, for second shifting, we will use of course of unit step function. But what's the pattern? Okay, we will use or we will apply second shifting when we get this one. Okay, I think I will use G lah here, G, because we know that the whole thing here is your FT, right? So now your FT now is in term of GT minus A times with UT minus A. So then you need to apply first shifting. Second shifting. And the final answer is given by this. Okay, this is your final answer. Okay, so I think this is a GS lah. Okay, GS. Alright, this is GT. Okay, alright, so it's okay. So I will show you example first. So determine Laplace transform for t minus 5 ut minus 5. Okay, so now see clearly. They have two terms here. Then the first one that you can see here is they have ut minus a. So which is this one, this part. Okay, so another part here is this one, gt minus a. So, okay, so the first step that we should do here is you just write down first. So what is your gt minus a? No, not yet. I think you need to write down your a first. What is your a here? Okay, you can see that this is t minus a, this is t minus, so, and suppose it must be equal. If here this t minus 1, so here is t minus 1 also. Okay, so here you can see that t minus 5, here is t minus 5. So what is your a? Your a here is 5. Okay, now what is your gt minus a or gt minus 5? It be t minus 5. Okay, because I say just now, this is the whole thing here is a t minus a, gt minus a. So your gt minus a is t minus 5. Okay, then what else? Step number 2. Okay, this is the equation just now. So we know that the final answer must be in terms of gs, e negative a gs. So you need to find your gt first. So find out what is your Laplace transform for gt. Okay, what is your gt here? What is your gt? You can see here, step number 1, this is t minus a. Okay, gt minus a, you get t minus 5. So I just want gt. Can you see? This is gt minus a is equal to t minus 5. I just want gt. Okay, this is something that is related to first shifting before. Kalau you still ingat first shifting kita ada gs minus a, dan kita nak gs. We want to get gs, but we have gs minus a. So it's something similar to this one. This one is second shifting, okay? So the equation, I mean from the equation we have gt minus a, but we want gt. So means that it's just t lah. Okay, ataupun kalau you nak nampak, so t ni you can replace with 5 already lah. Okay, you can replace your a with 5. Okay. So gt minus 5 means the whole thing here is t minus 5. So if you want gt only, so that means it's only t. Okay, only t. So we will find the Laplace transform for gt. So Laplace transform for t is equal to, okay, using your tables now. So it will be 1 over s square. Okay, and the last step here is the answer is this one. Okay, this is GS lah. Okay, GS is equal to Laplace transform for GT. So this is the answer. So the last one is just combine the answer that you get here, E negative AS. So E negative AS. So what is your A just now? It's 5. So 5S and GS. What is your GS? Is 1 over S squared. So this is the final answer. It's easy, I think. It's just yeah, it just using table and so on. So then you get the answer. Okay, I give you one more example. Okay, one more example. Example 2. Okay, Laplace transform for t minus 4 square ut minus 4. Okay, so you can see that they have two terms here. So means that you need to apply a second shifting, of course. So step number 1, identify what is your A. Okay, make sure they kena equal lah. So here must be t minus 4. So here also must be 4. So your A here is 4. What is your GT minus 4 ataupun GT minus A? Okay, I just write already lah 4 here. So it be t minus 4 square. Okay, don't forget to bring your square also. Kena bawa. Okay, you need to bring this square. Everything that here you need to bring together. Okay, so step number 2, we want to find GT first. So what is your GT? Here is t minus 4, you get t minus 4 square. So if GT means that it's a t, okay, t only inside the bracket, square. Okay, so square also you must bring together. Okay, you must bring. Don't leave it there. Jangan tinggalkan. Okay, you must bring this square. And of course, we will find the Laplace transform for t square. So it will be 2 factorial. Okay, 2 factorial is equal to 2 s cubed. And the last step, step number 3, is the final answer. It will be E negative 4S 2 over S cubed. Okay, so this is the final answer. Alright. Okay. Give you one more example. Okay, one more example. Example 3. Okay, let's say if given to you the Laplace transform for t ut minus 5. Okay, t ut minus 5. So you can see that they have two terms here, t and ut minus 5. But the what you call the gt minus a is not there. It's just t. It doesn't exist in term of t minus 5. Is it? Betul. Kalau you tengok, supposedly, okay, suppose if here is t minus 4, here also must be t minus 4. But this equation, this example is just t. So what we need to do first, you need to make it. Okay, maksudnya you need to be creative to make it this one become t minus 5. You must have the term of t minus 5. Must. Maksudnya you kena create lah, you kena create and then you make it as t minus 5. So you need to follow this one. Maksudnya kita kena dapatkan juga t minus 5. Okay. So how to get t minus 5? We have t here. How to get t minus 5? Okay, how to get t minus 5? What we can do? You can, yeah, memang obviously lah, you just minus 5. But if you minus 5, you already make it the equation different meaning. Maksudnya, suppose the equation, the original equation is only t. So how to, we want to get the form of t minus 5, but in the same time we don't want to get the meaning different. We want to remain the meaning of t. So from t to t minus 5, yes, t minus 5, of course lah. Okay, you already get the pattern. But we want to get back t. How to get back t? How to get back the original value? Plus 5, is it correct? Because when you open the bracket, you get negative 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. So you get back your t. Okay? Yes? Okay? Alright, so now I just write back here. So we already make it the equation like this. Okay? T minus 5 plus 5. Okay, so from t just now, we already make it this one. And we didn't change any meaning of it. Kita tak tukar langsung maksud soalan ni. Okay, we just what we call rearrange the equation and top up here, top up there, and then the same meaning. It's still the same meaning. Okay, so this still ut minus 5. Right, now, okay, this one is something extra that you should do. Okay, we have this one. Okay, if you still remember how to solve, how to solve this one. Wait, a plus b times c. Okay, a plus b times c. How can we expand this one? We will do like this, right? A times c plus b times c, is it? Okay, so now let these things a, b, c. A, b, c. So when you multiply it, you will get t minus 5 times with ut minus 5. Okay, then plus 5 ut minus 5. Okay, alright. So you can see that they have another form here. T minus 5, ut minus 5, and plus 5 ut minus 5. Okay, so if you still remember, I write down just now in the table that we explained just now. You have two, right? Two unit step function punya function ha. The first one is ut minus 5 without anything in front here. Okay, without anything means it's a constant lah. It can be constant 1, it can be constant 2, it can be until infinity. But it's just a number in front of it. How about the second one? The second one must be, in front it must be another function which is t minus a. So you can see that for this question, they have two of this function. The first one is t minus 5, ut minus 5, and the second one is just a constant, 5 ut minus 5. So means that this one is referring to this one. Okay, and the first one, okay, just now is the second one. Okay, the first one, you will referring to this one. Okay, I hope that you clear on that one. Okay, so I solve first for number one. So number one, you just follow the step that I showed you just now. Step number 1, identify what is your a. Your a is 5. What is your g? T minus 5 is t minus 5. Okay, step number 2, find out the Laplace transform for gt. Okay, because this is t minus 5, so this means t lah. So t, your Laplace transform for t is equal to 1 over s squared, and last step is e negative 5 1 over s. So this is the answer for the first one. Okay, this is the answer for the first one. So second one, the second one, just using table directly. They have no any steps, just directly from the table. Okay, just directly from the table. So the second one is 5. Okay, 5 is still there. Okay, 5 is still there. And ut minus 1 is 1 over s. So e negative as over s. Okay, so 5 is still there. 5 is a constant. Okay, you need to bring it here. So the final answer for this one is just combine lah. You combine these two. So e negative 5s over s squared plus 5 e negative, oh sorry, this is 5s over s, full stop. Okay, right? Okay, so maybe this example is something extra that you know that you need to make what we call, you need to give more attention lah, because this one is not equal with the unit step function here. So you need to do extra steps, which is you need to rearrange, or you need to modify. Modify, the word that I want to say is modify. You need to modify from t is become t minus 5, but without change any meaning of the original question. Okay, clear? Alright, class. So yeah, we have another one more subtopic under this one, under this topic lah, unit step function, and I will continue it in the next video.